Hello, welcome to TechWebDots. Today I am going to discuss about the management of containers. So this session is part of Docker for Beginners series, so I strongly recommend you to watch the previous recorded videos for better understanding. Let's move ahead. So about the management of the containers, very few operations that comes into mind. Those are the standard one that we should always remember. So a Docker container has a life cycle and that you can use to manage and track the state of your container. I mean in which state your container is. So if you see in the image, it starts from created and it goes to running. It can be paused, right? And then it can be stopped or removed, right? But during these, if you notice, there is a command that we can use to manage our containers. One says docker run, that put the container in the running stage. If we use the docker pause, it will put the container into the pause stage. If we use docker unpause, then again it will be in the running stage. And if we use docker stop, then it will be in a stop state. If we want to run again, we can use docker restart. And at the end, if we use docker remove, which is rm, then it will remove the container along with its all the dependencies, and it will depend the type of mount we have attached, so that data will be deleted or not. Okay, so to pause and unpause a running container, use pause and unpause command. To stop and restart a container, you just use stop or restart command. So if you need to terminate the container, so use the kill command, right, to send a kill signal. The container's kernel captures a kill signal, but the running processes doesn't. It means this command forcefully terminates the working process in the container. So to remove a container that is in a stopped state, you just use the remove command as I previously explained, and after removing the container, all the data stored in the container gets destroyed. Okay, so these are the basic operation. The next section will be very important, the next session. In that we will discuss the Docker architecture. Okay, so I will see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.